In this video, I'm going to talk about the Ambitful QD-P70 Octagon Bowens Mount Deep Parabolic Softbox. Prepare to get tased. Mabuhay and what is up, Tasers? Welcome to Taste or the Art of Sir Eden. If you are new to this channel and you're kinda interested in these kinds of contents, be sure to subscribe and tap that bell there so you'll get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And to all of my current subscribers, thank you so much for your support, and you guys are awesome as always. And don't forget to follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for more updates, tips, and videos. Before anything else, I would like to thank Ambitful for sending me this softbox to review. I'm not paid to do this video, so what I'm about to share to you guys is based on my thoughts about their product. So now, let's get down to business. Now, this QD-P70 was sent to me together with the FL80 RGB. So check out my review of that in the card up there. So here's a quick unboxing. It came with a carrying bag. Inside is the softbox and the Bowens mount. It's protected by this rubber. It also came with 2-layer diffuser and a honeycomb grid. At first glance, it doesn't look cheap, and upon touching the material, it feels like it is made out of a high quality cloth. Comparing it to my 60mm Triopo, the QD-P70 definitely has better quality in terms of materials, build, and design. Now, setting this up is easy. First, detach all the Velcro near the Bowens mount, then pull each of these metal rods that acts as bones to shape the dome, then make sure that you'll hear a locking sound. Now, after doing this to all of it, attach all the Velcro locks back. Now it is ready to be attached to the COB light. Now you can put the smaller diffuser inside like this, then the main diffuser, and lastly, the grid. Now for a quick tip, if you have a COB light with 150 watts or more, having this dual layer of diffusion will help produce a softer light, especially if you need to bump up the intensity. Now if you want to isolate your light, this honeycomb grid will help you control the spill of the light that the COB light produces. Now, disassembling this is really satisfying for me to do. All you need to do is release each of these locks near the Bowens mount until it all collapses. Connect this Velcro strap, then put it back in the bag. Of course, do not forget to put on the rubber protections for the mount. And boom, it is good for travel or storage. Now let's talk about the things I like about this softbox. I like the build quality of the QD-P70. The stitches and the cloth are really good. The design and functionality is also amazing. I also like the 2-layer diffuser functionality and the option of having a honeycomb grid. These accessories are doing a great job diffusing and isolating the light. I also love the quick release collapsing mechanism, making the assembly smooth and easy. Saves you more time to set up and disassemble it. Plus, it is not that heavy, so carrying it is really easy. I also like the size of it. It is not too small and not too big, because in my opinion, the 60cm is relatively small and the 90cm is too big for my studio. So 70cm is just the right size for me. It works great, especially on tight spaces like this studio of mine. And of course, the price point, starting at $73.07 or $74 to be exact on AliExpress. Without the grid, this is definitely a bang for the buck, giving all the qualities that I've mentioned earlier. Now, this may vary depending on the country you're at. Now, I don't really have much of a complaint about this product, but I just wanted to share a few quirks that I noticed. When setting this up, make sure to check these metal rods are tucked inside before pulling each locks, because it tends to come out while pulling each of the rods during setup. Another thing to keep in mind is that to avoid holding it near the locks, because you might accidentally detach it, just to save you from doing it over and over again, because it happens to me a lot. Now, this is just me being nitpicky or being just careless to be precise. But in all honesty, these are minor things you need to keep in mind, and it doesn't affect the performance this softbox produces. Overall, the QD-P70 is a great softbox that is made affordable for you guys. I would definitely recommend it to all professionals, aspiring professionals, content creators, because this will definitely improve your lighting both on your video and photo. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so to get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And again, Tasers, this is the Art of Sir Eden, or Tase. Together, let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you on my next video. Tase Reviews out.